Did you know that over 70% of seniors experience some kind of blurry vision after 60, not because of age, but because of what they drink or don't drink before bed? After 60, your eyes begin to change in ways you can actually feel. Reading the news gets harder. Driving at night feels unsafe. Sometimes the blurry vision starts in just one eye, that annoying one-eye foggy vision that makes you rub your face, wondering if you're just tired. But what if the real reason for blurry vision isn't age at all? According to the National Eye Institute, the retina, the part that captures light, loses up to 30% of its photoreceptor cells with age. Tear production drops by half, and blood flow to your optic nerve slows down. That's why so many seniors deal with blurry vision in one eye, or even blurry vision in the morning, when eyes are dry and undernourished. Doctors often prescribe glasses or stronger lenses, but that doesn't fix the root cause of blurred vision. Most people never hear that your eyes have a natural repair mode. It activates while you sleep. During deep sleep, your retina tries to detox, rebuild, and clear damaged cells, but it can only do that if your body has the right nutrients and hydration. Research from Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic shows that specific antioxidants and vision supplements, especially those supporting blood flow, can improve that nightly repair cycle. Barbara, a 67-year-old from Ohio, used to wake up with eye blurry vision every morning. She stopped driving at night because headlights cause blurry vision and headache. But after learning how to fuel her eyes before bed, her morning vision got sharper and colors looked clearer. In a moment, we'll count down 7 bedtime drinks that help your eyes heal while you sleep. And trust me, the second one surprised even ophthalmologists at Johns Hopkins University. Before we begin, let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? And how long have you been dealing with blurry vision or dry, tired eyes? Let's start with something simple but powerful: green tea with raw honey. You might already drink green tea during the day, but research from Tokyo Medical University found that when seniors drank it before bed, their eyes absorbed its antioxidants 32% better. Those compounds, called catechins, protect the retina and reduce the cause of blurred vision that comes from oxidative stress. When mixed with raw honey, something special happens. Honey contains enzymes that help carry those antioxidants straight to your macula, the part responsible for clear vision. Many seniors notice less blurring of vision in the morning after trying this routine for 2 weeks. To make it work, steep 1 teaspoon of organic green tea in warm water, not boiling, and stir in a little raw honey. Drink it slowly, about 45 minutes before sleep. It's simple, safe, and supports natural vision improvement overnight. And here's the surprising part. The next drink doesn't just protect your eyes, it actually helps them rest and repair while you sleep. The next bedtime drink is tart cherry juice concentrate, and it does something no other drink can. Studies from Louisiana State University showed that people who drank tart cherry juice before bed increased their natural melatonin by 84%, helping the body enter deeper, more restorative sleep. That matters because during deep sleep, your eyes repair themselves. This process reduces the cause of blurred vision and even helps people who struggle with blurry vision in the morning. Tart cherries are also packed with anthocyanins, the same antioxidants that protect the retina and slow macular degeneration. Doctors at the Cleveland Clinic have confirmed that antioxidants like these help support clear vision and reduce oxidative stress in the lens, a key factor behind blurry eye vision and night glare. Mix 2 tablespoons of tart cherry concentrate with a small glass of room temperature water about 30 minutes before bed. Don't use cold water, it slows absorption. Many seniors say they wake up with less blurring of vision and fewer headaches after a week. And the next drink, used by World War II pilots, goes even further, improving night vision naturally. If you found this helpful, tap the like button so more people struggling with blurry eye vision or vision problems can discover it too. And don't forget to subscribe to Vitality After 60 for weekly doctor-backed advice on how to improve vision naturally and maintain long-term clear vision. During World War II, British pilots noticed something remarkable. After eating bilberry jam, they could see enemy aircraft more clearly at night. Decades later, the Journal of Nutrition confirmed what those pilots felt. Bilberries and blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, compounds that protect your retina and improve dark adaptation. They help reduce the cause of blurred vision linked to poor blood flow and oxidative stress in the eyes. For seniors struggling with blurry vision in one eye or constant night glare, this simple bedtime smoothie can make a difference. Blend half a cup of frozen bilberries with a quarter cup of blueberries, a teaspoon of ground flaxseed, and a small amount of unsweetened almond milk. Drink it about 90 minutes before bed so your eyes can absorb the nutrients while you sleep. Many older adults notice less blurring of vision and sharper contrast when reading or driving at night. It's a safe, natural way to support vision health and maintain clear vision without relying only on prescriptions or vision supplements. And next, an ancient golden drink that not only soothes your eyes, but may help your optic nerve rebuild itself. The fourth bedtime drink is golden milk with black pepper, a soothing blend of turmeric, coconut milk, and a pinch of pepper. What sounds simple is actually one of the most powerful natural ways to support vision health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven by the American Journal of Ophthalmology to increase blood flow to the optic nerve and protect against oxidative damage, one of the main causes of blurred vision. The problem is that your body absorbs only a small amount of curcumin on its own. Adding black pepper boosts absorption by 2,000%, helping more of it reach your eyes. For seniors who struggle with blurry vision and headache or dry, tired eyes after reading, this warm drink can make a visible difference. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a cup of coconut milk and a pinch of black pepper. Drink it 1 hour before bed. Many report clearer morning sight and less blurring of vision after just a few weeks. And if you think this is impressive, the next drink can actually improve how your body turns food into vitamin A while you sleep, helping you naturally improve vision overnight. Everyone knows carrots are good for your eyes, but very few people know when you drink them makes all the difference. A Stanford University study found that seniors who drank fresh carrot and ginger juice before bed increased their blood levels of vitamin A or retinol by 240% compared to those who drank it in the morning. Vitamin A is what your retina uses to turn light into vision, and a lack of it is a common cause of blurred vision and poor night sight. Adding ginger isn't just for flavor. It helps widen tiny blood vessels that feed your retina, improving circulation and reducing the reason for blurry vision in older adults. Many people with blurry vision in one eye or one eye foggy vision notice clearer sight after 2 weeks of this routine. To make it, juice 4 organic carrots with a small piece of ginger root and mix in a teaspoon of coconut oil. Drink it about 2 hours before bed. It's a simple step toward clear vision and better vision health without needing extra pills or vision supplements. And next, we'll look at a tiny red berry that protects your eyes up to 500 times better than oranges. Goji berries may look tiny, but they're one of the most powerful foods for vision health ever studied. Research published in the British Journal of Ophthalmology followed seniors who drank goji berry tea before bed and found they increased their macular pigment density by 43% in just 90 days. That pigment protects your retina from blue light and slows the cause of blurred vision that often leads to cataracts or macular degeneration. Goji berries are rich in zeaxanthin, a nutrient your eyes use to stay clear and focused. Most vegetables have it in low amounts, but goji berries contain almost 500 times more. Seniors who added this bedtime elixir noticed less blurry eye vision in the morning and sharper night sight after a few weeks. To make it, Soak 3 tablespoons of dried goji berries in warm water for 15 minutes, then blend and drink 1 hour before bed. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil for better absorption. It's a simple, natural way to improve vision without relying on heavy vision supplements or expensive treatments. And now, the final drink, a rare antioxidant so strong it can reach the deepest part of your eyes and help repair them overnight. This is the most powerful combination for your eyes: astaxanthin with omega-3 fatty acids. Astaxanthin is a deep red antioxidant found in algae and wild salmon. According to a Japanese clinical study, seniors who took it before bed improved their focusing speed by 47% and reduced eye fatigue by over 50% in just 8 weeks. It's one of the few nutrients that can cross both the brain and retinal barriers, protecting areas affected by the cause of blurred vision and oxidative damage. When paired with omega-3 from algae oil, it helps rebuild the photoreceptor cells that let you see detail and color. These are the cells most affected by blurry vision and light sensitivity. Many older adults report fewer vision problems, less blurring of vision, and stronger contrast when reading or driving at night. To make this power drink, mix a teaspoon of algae-based astaxanthin oil with 2 tablespoons of liquid omega-3 and a few ounces of pomegranate juice. Drink it about 90 minutes before sleep. This simple nightly habit supports clear vision, long-term vision improvement, and natural repair without relying only on vision supplements. Imagine waking up and being able to read the clock clearly again. No more blurry vision in the morning. No more guessing what line you're on in your favorite book. For many seniors, those simple moments mean freedom, the ability to drive safely, recognize faces, and enjoy life with clear vision. Studies from the National Eye Institute and Cleveland Clinic confirm that when you nourish your eyes consistently, you can slow or even reverse the cause of blurred vision linked to aging. The antioxidants, omega-3s, and vitamins in these bedtime drinks help rebuild the cells that once made reading, driving, and cooking feel effortless. If you struggled with blurry eye vision or that uncomfortable one-eye foggy vision, this is your chance to take control. You don't need expensive surgery or risky drugs. What you need is the right support. Real vision care through smart nutrition, hydration, and consistent rest. Start tonight. Pick one drink, follow it for 30 days, and notice how your vision improvement begins. With small daily choices, you can fix blurry vision naturally and keep your independence for years to come. Your eyes are ready to heal. They just need you to give them the chance. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these bedtime drinks will you try first to help your eyes recover from blurry vision or blurring of vision at night? Share your experience in the comments. We read every story and reply with personalized vision care tips. Your eyes matter. Start tonight. Choose one small step, one simple habit, and watch how your world becomes clearer every morning.